Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this mixture of polyurethane satin varnish into my titanium white base to get that kind of webbing effect. I saw something in there and I lost it again. It should be here. I still see it. Here you are. Okay, so I will spread white all over this time. This is 12 by 12 inch canvas, because I'm not quite sure if I will tear this a lot, because I have a little different project in my head today, so we will see how it will go and we will decide. I will decide. Okay, so I covered my canvas. Okie dokie. First thing done. I have to grab my napkin to wipe my hands. And I will go with my go-to color palette today. Some violets and golds and pinks. So I will torch this a little bit because I see a lot of air bubbles. If you want to know more about how I mix this, I will put my previous video when I talked a little more about it into the cards, and you have my mixing video link in the description box too. So I will just add some permanent blue violet first, and I want a little more color today, and magenta. I will not go just with this stripe, how can I say, and Pebeo iridescent precious gold. And I have balloon ready, because I will see, maybe I will even do some balloon dips after I will blow this out in the middle. We will see. That was alizarian violet, and this is reflex rose from Amsterdam. All the colors will be in description box too. And I have my black cell activator, Australian floetrol and carbon black, Amsterdam. Okay. I know that you will not see this process quite okay, but I can't help this. Yes, and I will grab my balloon. I can already see, so I can bring you closer again. And I will just do some balloon dips on the places that I don't like much. That's why I said that I don't know how much I will tilt it, and here I didn't do a beautiful job, and so I will just add some of this white and a little bit of black and blow this. And now I have this part here with the little, I don't know, have to do something here too, just to be a little, I don't know, more symmetrical or something. I didn't do quite a good job here. Okay, I will take this part off. And I will just try to fix this part with my finger a little bit. Just to incorporate this into the composition, or how can I say, and I will separate these two. See, when I dip, I bring a little more color out, so okay. And I will try to tilt it just a little bit maybe, but when I dipped in the middle, you know, I don't have as much paint in the middle anymore, but just try to tilt it a little bit, but I can't quite get much of this stretch out, so maybe I will just leave it. Okay. just try to okay. Gentle, nice, but I will just dip just a little bit in few places. With the balloon. So as you can see, I'm again with the flowers, with every technique almost. I have to scrape this off because it bothers me just so much. Okay. And this part. Just a little bit to the middle. Okay. And I'm happy now because it's maybe next time I have to be careful about the sides, not go with drizzles all over. Let me take you for a close-up. I really love this smoky look with all those webbing. It almost looks like a Dutch pour my way. Maybe I don't like this part here as much, but I will leave it so. See, these balloon dips here gives this center a little something. center line, I have to say, for my taste. So this is the second attempt what to do with this mixture, and I'm quite happy with it. I don't know, it's can be look like this too, but I think that it's more like this, I don't know. So if you like this, you can leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. You know what to do. If you like videos, subscribe, and see you on the next one. This is my favorite detail. Bye.